SM Wealth YouTube channel. Subscribe. Would you pay $40 million to live here? Welcome inside one of the most insane mega mansions in Florida. This isn't just a house, it's a private billionaire paradise with features you won't believe actually exist. Step through these massive 25-foot doors, and you're instantly hit with pure luxury. We're talking double-height ceilings, hand-picked Italian marble, and floor-to-ceiling glass walls that give you an uninterrupted, breathtaking view of the Florida coastline. Honestly, this living room alone is bigger than most average apartments. But here is where it gets crazy. This place features a commercial-grade private movie theater, a fitness center that rivals 5-star luxury gyms, and a multi-million-dollar supercar garage. And check out this pool. It comes with its own swim-up bar, a massive waterfall, and a hidden underwater tunnel, 2,000 square-foot oasis. It features a private wraparound terrace, a spa-like bathroom, and a walk-in closet that feels like a high-end designer boutique. Downstairs, the chef's kitchen packs top-of-the-line appliances seamlessly hidden behind custom cabinetry. As the sun sets, the outdoor resort area turns into the ultimate playground. Complete with an outdoor kitchen, a fire pit lounge, and a private dock built for a 100-foot super yacht, this is peak Florida living. So, is this mega mansion actually worth $40 million? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more ultimate home tours. See you in the next one.